You look sad. How long has it been since you've been sad? Hi, this is Tiffany. Tiffany's going to the bathroom. Where's the light at? This is me going to the bathroom. And now I'm going in here. And I'm in here. And look. Here is all of our beer. And this is Tiffany again. I just want to say that I'm so glad that you're here. And that now I'm buttoning my pants. Okay, now I'm gonna pee. I just want to say that I'm so glad that my brother is home from Iraq, and I hope he never goes back. That rhymed. Did you hear that? You see that? That's my eye. That's my eye. That is my eye. There's our beer. There's our beer. All of our beer. Hey, she didn't drink her open beer. That liar. You see my eyes? Oh, man. Those are my eyes. I'm gonna eat the camera. That's me. I'm gonna eat your soul. I'm gonna eat your soul. Bye. It was nice to meet you. It was nice to meet. It was nice to meet you. It was nice to meet